Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a certificate for a child at risk. To be able to complete a certificate, you need to ensure that you have the user role access for ACCS marked as full. You can then go to a child's details page and click on the child wellbeing. You're then going to click to add a new certificate. Select the child's active enrolment. Select the start date you wish to start the certificate on. Please note, you can backdate this certificate for up to 28 days in the past without any evidence. If you wish to backdate this prior to 28 days, you can do so up to a value of 13 weeks. If this is the case, you need to select an exceptional circumstance reason. Either the delay in the evidence beyond the provider's control, so this means you're still waiting on supporting evidence, or there may be another reason in which you need to enter in the reason detailed in the mandatory field. You would then select the number of weeks at risk, and you can take up to a maximum of 6 weeks for a certificate. You need to tick the evidence held box, and then you need to select the reasons why the child is at risk. You then need to tick the state territory notification, enter the start date that you're notifying, and the organisation name. You will then need to enter in the person's first name and last name that you've been notified by. There are 2 options and you need to tick one of these. The top one, the provider has been notified by the state or territory. So you have been notified by the state or territory. If you tick the second option, the provider is notifying the state or territory. This means you are notifying the state or territory. You have not been notified. You need to select the body type. And if you have been notified by the state or territory, you need to enter in these fields below. You then need to upload your supporting documents. And please note, you may need to upload the same evidence twice depending on the document type. So for example, ACC 002, Child Wellbeing Evidence. However, if you have asked for an extension to backdate for up to 13 weeks, you also need to supply the evidence for the exceptional circumstance. So this is ACC 008. And this may be the same document. You would then click Save Document, tick the declaration, and click Save. If you have asked for a backdate for an exceptional circumstance reason, this will sit as pending until the ACCS team approve the certificate. If you only select the current day or up to 28 days in the past, this will be approved immediately at the service level. If you require any further information on how to create a certificate for a child at risk, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Kidsoft Customer Success team. You may also like to look at our additional video tutorials in our YouTube channel for more tips on Kidsoft. Thank you.